Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to review your order history on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile, or if you of course don't have it, you can go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the application and we have the address, and in the top left corner, as you can see when we click, we have the order now button again. We have the pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, data privacy, terms and conditions, and Domino's more. So here guys, as you can see, we can go now and see how you can actually go and review your order history on Domino's Pizza. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Click on the top left corner, and after that guys, click on the second thing that is here beneath the order now, which is the pizza tracker. So from the top to the bottom, click here, and here you can go and track your orders. But if you already have some orders in the past, you will have, I didn't have any, so that's why I don't have anything here. But if you had, you will have your order history also here. And of course, if you want to order, you can go and order from here by clicking on this red button, order now. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, because this really helps us grow our channel, so if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.